What's up guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to add family members to your YouTube Family Premium plan. First, open the YouTube app and tap on Profile in the bottom right corner. Once you're on your profile page, scroll down until you see your premium benefits and select it. Next, scroll to the bottom of the page and you will see the Manage Your Membership option. Click on that and you'll be redirected to a page with your premium and family membership details. Select Family Membership. Now you will see the Family Sharing Settings option. Click on Edit to open the settings. From here, select Invite Family Member. You can now enter the email addresses of the family members you want to add. Once you've added them, click Continue. An invitation will then be sent to the email addresses you entered. Your family members will receive an email and they'll need to click Accept Invitation to finally join your YouTube Premium Family Plan. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.